Greetings everyone, and thanks for joining. Today we are building a dog kennel. Let's begin with a 6x16 plate and a door frame with the grooves facing out. We're going to skip a dot, place the door frame, skip another dot, place another door frame, and so on. Now let's build two door frames with the bars in place. And we want the bars in the outer position when we attach them to the base plate. The dog in the middle will have a little bit more space. I guess you can call that the Penthouse Suite. Grab the remaining door frames again with the grooves facing out and place them in position to finish off the living quarters. By the way, hit that like button if you enjoy these tutorials, would really appreciate that. Again, grooves facing out. Alright, let's begin building the roof in step 2. Grab the 6x16 plate and place a 2x2 modified facet tile in each of the 4 corners. Take the 2 1x6 tiles and place them on the top row. Then take the 2 1x4 tiles and place them on the bottom row flush against the corner facet tiles. Place a 1x2 tile on the left and again one on the right. Take the bracket inverted 1x2 and place the 1x2 plate on top and fit that right in the middle of the 1x4 tiles. Next, take the 2x1 45-degree angle slopes and snap into place like so. Then take the 1x1 round paw print tile and attach to the stud of the 1x2 modified plate. And then go ahead and place that on the inverted bracket. In step 3, let's begin by attaching our roof to the build from step 1. And we intentionally left off the outer bars in the first step so that we could slide our fingers inside of the door frames to maneuver everything in place. Now let's attach a 1x1 stud to each of the 3 door handles. And attach those doors to the outer grooves of the front door frames. Finally, take the 5 bars and attach them to each of the remaining door frames. All right, grab your dogs, your dog bowls, and your dog bones, and your kennel is complete. Let me know what your favorite dogs are in the comments section, and I'll see you on the next build.